how to send money from Chime to another bank. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will just have to open up your Chime account. Then you will be able to find the option of move money at the bottom. Just simply select it. After that, click on the option of transfer from other banks. Now it will prompt you to link your external account and just simply continue. After that, choose the bank of your choice where you want to send the money, and now it will ask you to enter the credentials of that particular bank. Now just enter your credentials and verify your identity. After verifying your identity, your savings and checkings account will be shown related to that particular bank. Now just simply continue. And now you need to select the sender and recipient. Select Chime as the sender and your preferred bank as recipient. Now enter the amount of your choice. After that, click on confirm. And this way you would be able to transfer the money from Chime to another bank. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.